Was there an accident? What is that?
A ticket to the Krabby Patty formula, that's what that is.
Oh, no, you can't be serious.
As serious as a shark attack.
Now it's time to wring out my stinky fur coat. What in tarnation? Maybe I left it outside. I'm locked in. Some low-life varmint stole my things and broke into my home. My home! I'm gonna get that son of a guitar picker.
Okay, Karen, wish me luck. Sandy, you don't look so good. Hey, you gotta stop eating at the chum bucket. That stuff will rot your insides. Lies! Lies! The chum bucket will always be my favorite restaurant. Sandy, you don't sound like yourself. No, Sandy is herself. No reason to be suspicious in any way, y'all. Well, as long as there's no reason to be suspicious. That was close. I gotta perfect that Texas drawl. Yeehaw! Yeehaw, yeehaw, yeehaw! Howdy, partner!
Sandy, you're back!
Yep, that Krabby Patty was so darn good, I gotta see how you make one. Yeah, that's, 'cause,
Let's get cooking!
Phew.
The gooey freshness that is the Krabby Patty Patty.
Let me stop you there, Square Pants. I'd be much obliged to know how y'all make one of them there patties.
No can do, buddy. That would require revealing the secret formula, and that is explicitly forbidden as per my current labor contract.
Yeah, but this is your old buddy Sandy Cheeks. Why, you and me are as closer than two catfish in skillet.
Sandy, Section 934.44-929B specifically prohibits the disclosure of the secret formula to friends, even when those friends are, quote, closer than two catfish in a skillet.
You cry.
Putting the secret Krabby Patty formula out in plain sight. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it out here while I clean out the safe. Don't let it out of your sight, boyo.
You can always count on me, Mr. K.
Oh, man, that secret formula is as good as mine. It's finally mine. Time to kick this baby in a four-claw drive.
Wait, Sandy! We can work this out!
My pelt!
Mr. Krabs! Sandy's making off with the formula! Oh, Sandy, you're naked, and you don't have any clothes on.
Unhand my pelt, you unknown varmint! Never! Plankton! I should have known this was your doing. Now feel this! Hi-ya! Now for the appropriate punishment for a no-good yellow belly like yourself.
My eye! This condiment is highly irritating to my eye.
Oh, thank you, Sandy. Thank you, Sandy.
Sure, Mr. Krabs.
We'll take that sicko off your hands.
Cops, thank goodness you're here. Take the sicko away.
Actually, we're referring to you, ma'am. Public nudity is against the law in this county.